Slinger went out to save the Bukovo. But soon his friends joined him, like the Magnificent Seven, if they hadn't been magnificent. And they'd consisted of a dim-witted king, an elephant who thought he was a dog, an ape, a bird, a little monkey, and a kangaroo. They marched, flew, and hopped out to meet the enemy. And just between you and me, it didn't look good.
Guess just us.
But luckily for George, after a delayed reaction to his insouciant iambic pentameter, the jungles of a vacillating varmints joined the fight with their potent potentates. For those of you without a thesaurus, that's after a delayed reaction to his speech, the other animals joined the brouhaha with their king. Imagining the cold steel of the deleterious dozer separating his upper half from his lower, he ordered his troops back in a slow and orderly retreat.
Let's go!
George realized that the only way to win was to fight fire with coconuts. So he called in the heavy artillery. Not elephant zogzag.
Good shot!
With Shep down for the count, George felt the need to rally his troops.
Don't worry! George not know meaning of word defeat! George not know meaning of most words. But especially defeat! And George will stand here just as long as George's name is... Herb.
But